I've been working on this fairly complicated green man carving for a couple of days, and I can see that I've got about 35 tools on my bench. I've got a way of handling these tools, a way of managing them to keep the efficiency of my carving going, and I'd like to share that with you now. These tools at the front here are the ones I'm actively using. What I don't want are all these tools together and a mass of tools that I can't find the one I'm looking for. Even though the handles are different, sometimes the brain just can't handle a mass of tools. So I shunt to the back the tools that I'm not using. Every now and again I have a look and I say, oh, I'm not using that one, and I push it to the back. But I do need this tool and I bring it forward. And I do need this one, but I don't need that one. And I have a little shuffle. So those tools are my backup tools, the ones I have used, the ones that come forward to be used. These, when I'm not using them, I shuffle to the back. So when I'm in the zone, I've got the tools that I'm actively working with in the front, and I can pick them up and put them down very efficiently in an unconscious way without even knowing that I'm doing it. Let me mention this undermat here. This is an underlay for a carpet, and it's got ridges. And a lot of these tools, especially the little ones, can roll on the bench. So this sort of thing with the ridges stops it. It's also a much quieter sort of occupation to put them down. So I've started using a little underlay like that. It keeps things organised and safe. And lastly, just to mention, of course, this putting them together in the rows, with the blades facing forward, safe on the edges, so they don't bump anything. And if they do, it'll just be a piece of wood. So nice and safe, nice and efficient.